Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be backtesting 1000 pip builder signals. So for those of you who followed my channel for a while, you know I have used these signals in the past. It has been a while since I've used them though, because I am now focused on manual trading. If you saw my last video, you know that's what I've been doing for the past few months. But I know some of you are still interested in these signals, and I am still part of the Telegram group. So I thought I'd show you how the signals have performed from as far back as I can go on Telegram. And the earliest I can go is the 2nd of October 2023. So I will be backtesting the signals from then. Now we'll be backtesting using FX Replay. We'll take all of these signals that were sent out since the 2nd of October. Now although the group does trade on different pairs, I am just going to be looking at EURUSD today, simply because I think if I trade all of the pairs in one video, it would be an hour long. So I thought I'd focus on each pairs in different videos. So today we will be looking at EURUSD. So let's just get started on FX Replay. We're going to open a $100,000 account. Pairs is EURUSD. For the start date, like I say, the earliest I can go back on Telegram is the 2nd of October 2023. It won't let me scroll any further than that. So we will just start then, and we will trade up until today. Strategy is 1000 pip. So let's get started with this session. So with these signals, you do get sent 3 different take profits, which is good if you're the type of trader who likes to scale out of positions, move your stop loss to break even, take 50% off and those types of things. But what I'll do in this video is I'm just going to aim for the minimum take profit, just to keep it nice and simple. I will do future videos where I'm aiming for the base and the max take profit as well. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those ones. So the first signal sent out was at 18 minutes past 6. So let's just skip forward until that time. It was a short position, which we're going to enter here. Stop loss is at 530 and the minimum take profit is at 488. So only a 0.28 risk to reward on this trade. But let's place order. Now I will be risking 1% per trade. What we're going to do as well is we're going to risk 1% of our current balance as opposed to our initial balance. So if you do get into drawdown, it would be less than $1,000 that we're risking per trade. And then if we are in profit, it will be more. So let's place that order and let's see how this plays out. So there we go. We did hit take profit on that trade. So you can see at the bottom here, our account balance, our realized profit and loss, and our unrealized. So when we're floating, it'll show you what we're currently floating at. So we are up $289 on our first trade on EURUSD in October. The next trade was on the 3rd at 6 minutes past 6. So let's just skip forward until then. This was a buy. Stop loss is at 445 and our take profit is at 473. So a 0.29 risk to reward. Let's see how this one goes on. Okay, so we did hit our take profit on that trade as well. So we're currently up $600. The next trade is on the 12th of October at 5 past 7. Now this trade is a long position. Stop loss is at 575 and the minimum take profit is 659. So let's place order. 1%. Risk to reward of 0.52. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so we were stopped out of that trade. It looks like there was some high impact news at 12:30 on Thursday the 12th. So that is our first loss and we are down minus $406. Next trade was on the 17th at 11:13 AM. This trade was a buy. Stop loss is at 525 and the minimum take profit is at 573. So let's place order. See how we get on. And there we go, we did hit take profit. So we are down $256. The next trade was on the 24th, so let's skip forward until then. You can actually just skip to next session. You can actually do custom settings on FX Replay. This is another reason why I really like it. But you can skip until next day, or if you trade certain times like I do, I trade 3-4 hour candles per day. You can actually skip through to each session, which is what I do when I backtest my strategy, which I'll show you videos on soon. Or if you're an ICT trader, you can skip until the next silver bullet, New York Open and all those types of things. But in this instance, it is actually easy just to skip through manually, just because these trades can come out at any time. Okay, so this is the next trade I did. It is a long position at 1 o'clock in the morning. Stop loss is at 641 and the take profit is at 683. So a 0.34 risk to reward. Put down to 5 minutes, let's play. And there we go, we did hit our take profit on that trade. So we are up now, $89 in profit. Next trade was the day after, on the 25th at 8 AM. This trade was a short position with a stop loss at 623 and a take profit at 581. So risk to reward of 0.18. So let's see how we get on. And we did hit take profit on that one as well. So we're now up $261. Next trade was on the 30th. It was a long position. The stop loss at 533 and the take profit at 602. Let's place order. See how we get on. Okay, we did hit take profit on that one as well. So we're up $551. Next trade was on the same day at 3:30. This time it was a short. Let's just skip forward a bit here. So this is the trade idea, short position from there. Stop loss is at 639. Minimum take profit is at 611. So place order. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so we did hit take profit on that one as well. So we're up $989. Next trade was on the 31st. It is a buy with the stop loss at 564 and the take profit at 592. So let's place order. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so we were stopped out of that one. So we're now minus $19. The next trade was actually 20 minutes after being stopped out of that one. So it was at 5:20 and this time it was a short. Stop loss is at 601 and the take profit is at 559. So we place order. And there we go, we did hit take profit on that one. It did take a while, but we are up $496 in the account. Next trade was on the 1st of November at 3:01. It was a buy with the stop loss at 533 and take profit at 561. Risk to reward of 0.26. Okay, we were stopped out of that trade as well. So we're now minus $508. We then got a signal at 8 o'clock on the same day for a buy. Stop loss is at 503. Take profit is at 601. So let's place order. Okay, so we did hit take profit on that one. So we're currently up $155. The next trade is on the 8th. It was a short position with a stop loss at 724 and a take profit at 696. So let's place order. Okay, we did hit take profit on that one, so we're up $815. The next trade is on the 13th. It is a short position, the stop loss at 713 and the take profit at 674. So let's place order. And we did hit take profit on that one, so we're up $1,243. Next signal was a buy a couple of hours later, so let's take the long position from there. So it was at 3 o'clock, stop loss was at 644 and the take profit was at 698. Let's place order. And there we go, take profit, so we're at $1,600. Next trade was the next day. It was a sell at 4:20. So this is the trade idea, short position from there. Stop loss is at 877 and take profit is at 849. So let's place order. And there we go, we did hit take profit on that one. The next trade is on the 15th and it's at 4:45. It is a long position from here. Stop loss is at 831 and the take profit is at 860. So let's place order. See how we get on. Okay, so we did hit the stop loss on that one, but we are still up on the account, $742. The next trade was actually on the 11th of December. So let's just skip forward until then. So the signal was sent out at 12:27, which is there. It is a short position with the stop loss at 798 and take profit at 747. So let's place order. Okay, so we did hit take profit on that one. So we are up $1,337. And then the next trade was 3 hours later. It was a long position. Stop loss is at 700 and take profit is at 769. So let's place order. And we did hit take profit on that one as well. So we're up $1,700. Okay, so this is the next trade idea. It is a long position. Stop loss is at 950 and the take profit is at 985. So let's place order. See how it gets on. Okay, so we were stopped out of that trade. So we are up $686. Okay, so the next trade is on the 3rd of January. It is a short position. Stop loss is at 968 and the take profit is at 915. Okay, so let's place order. And we did hit take profit on this trade. So we're up $1,010. The next trade is on the 8th of January. It is a buy position with the stop loss at 970 and the take profit at 964. So let's place order. And there we go, we did hit take profit on that one. So we're up in the account $1,400. So the next trade is on the 9th of January. It's at 1:15. It is a buy with a stop loss at 906 and the take profit at 962. So let's place order. And there we go, it did take a while, but we got there in the end. So we're up $1,800. The next trade is on the 17th at 8 AM. It is a long position with the stop loss at 838 and the take profit at 890. And there we go, we did hit take profit on that trade as well. So we're up $2,262 so far. Next trade is on the 22nd of January. It is a long position. Stop loss is at 856 and the take profit is at 911. So let's place order. And there we go, we did hit take profit on that one. So we're up $2,654. The next trade was the 23rd at 9:05 AM. It is a short position. Stop loss is at 927 and the take profit is at 874. So let's place order. And we hit take profit on that one. So we're up $3,114. The next trade was the same day at 6 PM. It is a short. Stop loss at 859 and the minimum take profit is 823. So let's place order. Okay, so we hit stop loss on that one. We are still up $2,000. The next trade is on the 6th of February. It is a long position with the stop loss at 703 and take profit at 747. So let's place order. And there you go, we hit take profit on that one. So we're up $2,513. Next trade is on the 7th, a short position. Stop loss is at 804 and the take profit is at 750. So let's place order. Okay, so we were in that trade for a while, but we did hit our take profit in the end. So we're at $2,933. And then the next trade is on the 13th. It is a long position. The stop loss at 747 and the take profit at 790. So let's place order. And there we go, a take profit again, just before it looks like there was some high impact news. So we did manage to get out of that. So we're up $3,341. Okay then, that is it for the Euro USD trades since the 2nd of October. So let's have a look at the results. You can see we are up $3,341, so 3.34% of 100,000. We've had a win rate of 80%, which is obviously absolutely incredible, but you do have to consider that the average risk to reward is a 0.39. So with a low risk to reward, you do usually have a higher win rate. But either way, we are still up 3% from October. Our average trade duration is 6 hours. We've taken 30 trades, 24 of those were winners. Our average win streaks was 4 trades, with our max win streaks being at 6. And our average loss streaks was 1, with our max loss streak being 1. So we didn't actually take more than 1 losing trade. Now we have the calendar here as well. This shows you your results per day. So this is really good to see what days you have been most profitable. You see how many days went by without any trades. But like I say, we are just trading one of the pairs that the group trades. I think they trade 5 or 6 pairs, so there would be more opportunity in here. And what I'm going to do is when I backtest other pairs and add them to this strategy, you will see the results reflect that. So there will be more figures added to all of these stats. So more than likely there will be some trades in those days when I start backtesting the other pairs. But you can also see your performance per month as well. So our best month was in January, where we had a gain of 1.39%. You can also see trade by sessions. Like I say, I will have a full detailed video on FX replay coming soon where I'll go into all of this. But I just wanted to show you the results that we've had trading one pair on the 1000 pip builder signals. I will be trading more pairs soon. So like I say, subscribe so you don't miss those videos. But overall, decent results trading Euro USD since October. The link for these signals will be in the description, as well as a link to FX replay. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments, and thanks very much for watching.